Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody is doing awesome today. I do want to start off by saying thank you for clicking on the video. If this is your first time here, hi, I'm Becca. So nice to meet you. If you would take a minute to listen to the video, after that, maybe hit that subscribe button. Definitely give me a thumbs up. And comment down below and let me know you stopped by. Anyway guys, I was doing some influencer things and thought I would get on here and let people know that I was okay. But I was trying out the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I really like it. It really does emphasize your lashes. So that will be a definite one that I will keep using. I'm wondering if after a while you know how mascara sometimes after you open it, you know, you thought you liked it when you first got it, and then after a while it's like, ugh, I'm not even putting that on my eyes. So I will definitely keep y'all informed on what I think about it. So far I like it. It's a good mascara, good formula, all of that. And then I was sent the Maybelline Master Chrome by Face Studio Metallic Highlighter in 100 Molten Gold. That is what I have on today, and it's super pretty. It's, you know, you can definitely see it. The funny thing is, I had this highlighter and I sold it when I was selling a lot of my makeup. That is what it looks like. It's a beautiful highlighter. I am glad to have it back in my collection. Although, do I need it? That's the question. But it's definitely a pretty blinding metallic highlight. So, if you haven't checked that out, check them out. I think they're both great. Also, I am going to go into more of a story time and all of that, but I will say I'm also testing out some dry shampoos. The Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Texturizing Dry Shampoo and Toasted Coconut. This smells great. It really does. It's reasonably priced. I've had mine for a minute. I use dry shampoo, but I also have the convenience of water and washing my hair. Right now I don't have that convenience, so we are definitely overdue for a wash. This is day number 8 hair. And I know lots of y'all are going, ew, gross. But before all of this happened, I had just dyed my hair. So, this one leaves a cast. This one is the Clean Freak Refreshing by Not Your Mother's. This is unscented, so I do like the scents. But this one doesn't leave any residue. And then the IGK First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. This is okay, but you can definitely feel it on your scalp and your hair. It's like a heavy feeling, if that makes any sense. But right now, these are a godsend because 8 days of not being able to wash your hair starts to get to you. I'm telling you. And then I wanted to also bring up the Serafina Botanicals Apple Balm Glow Lip Mask that we got from BoxyCharm a while back. Now, I've been using this since the end of February, about the last week of January. This is the lip balm that sits beside my bed. Got that highlighter everywhere. She's blinded. This sits beside my bed at night, and I put it on at night. Now, it's the only balm I've been using, so I know it's this, but this has dried my lips out so bad. I mean, can you see? Just dry lips. So, if you got this, let me know down below if it's doing the same thing to you, because this will definitely be a I'm done trying product, because I already know how I feel about it. Definitely not going to be using it I did go back to the Sol de Janeiro lip balm. This is in the medium. What was it? Teeny Bikini. Yeah, I think it was Teeny Bikini. It's the pinkish orange one. I know lots of people didn't like the smell of these, but they really do moisturize your lips, so I can get past the smell for the benefits of it. Alright guys, so let's start off with some good news. The good news is I did get a vehicle. I am doing some home health work for a man who has ALS, which my heart goes out to him. That is a very difficult disease. It very much breaks a person down. So while I enjoy the time that I have to spend with him and help him, it's very sad to watch him on a day-to-day basis. Mind you, I have been trapped here for about a week and a half. We will get into that. But for the most part, I'm glad I could be there. And we really do get along, so that makes it that much better. Anyway, with that, I am doing home health hours to pay off a vehicle in trade. So I am working off a 2001 Chevy Blazer, so that will be mine. I already have insurance on it. I just have to go pick it up, and after the snow, we will be doing that. I also got my information back for DoorDash. Yes, I know it is a supplemental income kind of job, but right now I have no income, and it will very much benefit me as far as making my own hours so I can still do my home health, work my hours off for the vehicle, and then do some DoorDash just to have some money to... Oh, guys, y'all have no idea how hard it was for this storm. We will get into it, but I definitely need some cash flow. I am on broke, so, you know, it definitely needs to happen, and having the vehicle will definitely get me pointed in the right way of what I'm trying to do. So I'm excited about it. Okay, so if you have read in the news or the TV or any of that, you know that Texas, Oklahoma, Louisiana, and Arkansas were all hit by a major winter storm. I am going to put a little video right here of what it actually looks like outside my camper right now. But let's go ahead and talk about that, guys, because let me tell you, as happy and better as I feel being here in my own space, no more anxiety and all of that, which was what was going on. The separation is going great. The camper is... We got some problems, but nothing that can't be fixed. But we did get 10 to 12 inches. We went through 2 snowstorms back to back, and we had a -6 degree. It's the lowest cold temperature that we've had in Arkansas. I believe that is ever. So people in the South are definitely losing their minds. We don't get storms like this. I mean, we do get the occasional snow, but it snows, it's pretty, and then it's gone. You know, this is going to be here for a minute. And mind you, I live up on top of a mountain. I haven't left my house in a week and a half. Even when the snow in town is gone, the snow up here will still remain, just because our hill gets sunlight in increments. It doesn't melt at the same point. It's a very rigorous melting process, and then we deal with flooding, so I can't wait for that. So as I was saying, this storm got pretty bad. I had to clean off some memory, so if I didn't say so, I am going to put a video in showing you the snow and what it looked like. But I can say, since moving into this camper, this is where I need to be. I am a lot better headed. Life is better here for me, but this storm, oh, excuse me, this storm that nobody was prepared for, and most people aren't prepared for a storm, really took a toll on me being in the camper. If you can imagine being in a 5-foot by 5-foot room with nothing on but the little glow of a propane heater, super scary. I can say I am in need of some more blankets. I do need something to cover the windows. I got quite an air draft from that. My bed fell in. The frame on that needs to be rebuilt. I did, however, get the refrigerator moved to the spot where refrigerator was supposed to go here in the RV. I did have to take out a cabinet to get it there, but as putting it there, the bottom flooring for that area is not very good, so I'm going to have to rebuild that too. So I'm in need of some wood and some blankets. Our water's frozen, has been for days. Like I said, this is day number 8 here. It's horrible, but I'm surviving. But it got pretty nasty. There's no propane. There's no propane to be found anywhere. My son says that the shelves at the stores are bare. Come on, Buggy Bug. Come on, Chloe. Chloe, come. Chloe, come. Says that the shelves are bare. I haven't left up here in a week and a half, so, you know, going out is very difficult at the moment. I will say, as a pet owner, if you have pets and you're in a little bitty space like this to where they can't go outside, please be prepared with puppy pads or newspapers, something, because you can't get onto your dogs for pottying if they can't be going outside. So I would never, but I'm super glad that with some of the donation money and some of the makeup selling money, when I first moved in here, I was able to get things like that just in case. And I still have half a bag. I'm gonna run out, so I hope the snow hurries up and leaves. But this storm really did show me how unprepared I was. Layers of clothes, sleeping during the daytime so you were awake at night to make sure the power stayed on. I am glad that I don't have my children with me, that they're grown, but I do still have my animals, so I have to take care of them also. So anybody who helped donate when I first moved in here, I greatly appreciate it. If you bought makeup, I super appreciate that too. You were a lifesaver to me and some dogs, so we really do say thank you. There are much more things that I need to do as far as getting this place really able to be lived in. I am going to put the big propane tanks on and set up the stove and the oven so that I can actually cook here. The last couple of mornings with no coffee has been quite a nightmare. I am a very much coffee drinker, and I wasn't prepared at all. I mean, to the point where I didn't even fill up water jugs the night before because I just didn't want to. And by the next day, there was so much snow and no water, and guys, we went through it. It was horrible. Not as bad as Texas. Texas has my heart. They are going through some roughness down there, and Texas is not at all prepared for winter storms. They're just not. It's not something that they have to deal with. Their houses are under insulated. They don't plan their clothing accordingly to cold weather because they don't have it. Last time a couple days ago, there was 4,000 people without power there. Pictures of icicles hanging off of ceiling fans and coming in doorways. Elderly are dying, children are dying, pets are dying. It's horrible. Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Louisiana. Guys, we got hit hard, and it's still here. People are still dealing with this. Rolling blackouts and no power, no water, no nothing. It got scary. So, I did just want to do a little quick video and let y'all know that I am doing better. We do have power, so I am greatly appreciative of that. I did say my prayers to God very, very many few times. Very, very many. A lot. Me and God were talking for hours. And we're surviving. So that's all we can do. That's all any of us can do. So if you're up north and you don't know what's wrong with the south, girls, guys, we are freezing. That is what's going on. We are freezing. We are not used to this much snow. So don't think we're crazy. We're not. So that's it, guys. I am okay. Do leave me some comments down below. I do want to talk about the depression that can kick in after you make a big life decision. Separating and working on a divorce and all of that, moving out, can really get you in a depressed state, and then to be pretty much trapped in your house because of the weather can make it 100 times worse. So if you yourself have started over and you want to share your story, I promise it will not fall on deaf ears. Please do leave it down in the comments, and it can always help somebody else. I know it can. Just the human interaction is so needed sometimes. So do leave a comment down below. At least let me know you stopped by. I would greatly appreciate it. Do give me a like and subscribe if you haven't already. That also helps my channel out. Until next time, guys, that's all I got to talk about. I will have some videos coming. I don't have anything else to do, so stop by, say hi, and until next time, guys, that's it. Stay safe, stay warm, and pray. You know, be nice, be positive, do your part, wear your mask, all of the good stuff that we all know to do. Just do it. You're helping somebody, I promise you are. And that's it. I am going to leave a couple of my links down below if anybody feels the need to help further with things that I need for the camper. That would be greatly appreciated. I will say that if it isn't from your heart or you don't feel good about it, please, by all means, do not do it. I know that there are a lot of people that use this platform for many different reasons. And there are people all over the world right now. We're in a pandemic on top of everything else that are struggling. I myself am struggling, but I am also that person that if I had it and somebody else needed it, I would give it to that other person. I've done without, I've been without, I know how it feels. So if you want to help, trust me, me and the dogs would forever be in debt. But if you're not comfortable with it, or it's not something that's healthy for you, please don't. I mean, just don't. But there are good-hearted people out there. I know there are. I'm a good-hearted person. So that's it. It'll be down there if you want to check it out. And that's it, guys. I love y'all. Stay positive. Be blessed. And stay warm. Be nice. Mwah. Bye, guys.